Start your first row with a perfectly straight baseline and build every subsequent row from that anchor. Begin by establishing a fixed reference line that will be your baseline for the entire field. Measure and mark equal offsets from two stable, opposite reference points such as finished walls or immovable cabinetry, then snap a chalk line between those marks so the line crosses the room at the true center of your tile grid. Dry lay a full row along that chalk line to confirm fit and adjust for any tile size variation by redistributing the cut pieces toward the edges rather than the visible center. Use consistent tile spacers and press each tile fully into its bed so it does not shift when you level or grout later. Every 2 or 3 tiles, confirm the row with your straight edge or a long level to catch small deviations early before the error propagates. If you have a laser level setup, align its beam with the chalk baseline and use that as a running check as you advance across the floor. 3 common mistakes come from relying on a single wall as a guide when that wall is out of square, neglecting to account for tile size tolerance, and letting small shifts accumulate without frequent checks. When a wall is not square, do not trust it as your baseline. Instead, measure from 2 opposite fixed points and use a snapped chalk line across the field. To handle tile size tolerance, do a dry layout and redistribute cut tiles toward the perimeter so minor variance does not create a visible jog in the center. If you let small shifts grow, keep a rule of checking alignment after every 2 or 3 tiles and reseat any tile that has moved before the thin set skins over. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and for contractors to find work through profiles and project leads. Our site also hosts a discussion community where professionals and homeowners exchange tips on alignment strategies, tools, and real-world troubleshooting.